1, 2, 3, start. Aggrieved by and dissatisfied therewith, the appellants filed an intra-court appeal being Special Appeal Number 103 of 2004, which was disposed of by a division bench of the High Court, giving liberty to the appellants to make a representation to the concerned authority within 10 days, with a direction to the authority to dispose of the same within 3 months thereafter. Before adverting to the rival contentions raised by the parties, we may notice that according to the appellants, even today there exist two vacancies. The purported chart prepared by the appellants and the records placed before us show some discrepancy. At this stage, it is not possible for us to go into the details thereof, particularly when the candidates already appointed are not parties before us. The select list was prepared in the year 1998. In our opinion, it would be difficult to issue any direction for appointment of the appellants herein at this stage. Select list was prepared keeping in view of the rules as they existed. The said rules might have been declared ultra vires, but as indicated herein before this court, in exercise of its jurisdiction under Article 142 of the Constitution of India, though it fit to give a prospective effect thereto, it did so inter alia for the purpose of protecting the services of those teachers who had already been appointed and had been in service for a few years. Out of 10 posts, 8 teachers were appointed on or before 18th November 1999, which was the cut-off date. The question as to whether the fresh appointees who are having regard to the said modification required to be appointed on the premise that they are placed higher in the select list than the appellants or not, in our opinion, cannot be gone into by us for the first time, since such a contention had never been raised before the High Court. The entire record of the matter, furthermore, are not before us. It is stated that 2 appointments were made in the year 2003, one against OBC quota and another against general quota. It is not possible for us to go into the question as to whether the entire quota for appointment in the category of OBC was filed up in the year 1998-99 itself, and thus appointment made against the vacant post from the said quota is illegal or not. The concerned respondents are not parties before us. We have not been informed as to whether any other person has been left out from the original merit list. Furthermore, the select list would ordinarily remain valid for 1 year. We fail to understand on what basis appointments were made in 2003 or subsequently. Whether the validity of the said select list was extended or not is not known. Extension of select list must be done in accordance with law. Apart from a bold statement made in the list of dates that the validity of the said select list had been extended, no documents in support thereof has been placed before us. Stop.